Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It depends on the time you'll be seeing this video. Yes, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, guys, are you facing negative energy? What do we mean by negative energy? What is negative energy? See, negative energy is one of the commonest spiritual symptoms or attacks that we get, or is a symptom of spiritual stagnation, limitation, hardship, failure, things that you can ordinarily with a snap of your finger you get, but when you have negative energy around you, you see yourself exercising more and more strength in those things, and yet you will not get results. That is called negative energy. If you are experiencing losses in business instead of progress, you are experiencing losses in your marriage. How do you experience loss in marriage? You marry for years, no pregnancy. Your wife cannot take in, or you as a woman watching this video, you cannot take in. These are caused by negative energy. These are spiritual problems, yes, but there are simple ways that we can also take care of this problem. So that is why I've come up this morning with one of the simplest way we can take care of this spiritual problem that we all face. You are not alone, I am not alone, they are not alone. Everybody is facing this problem in one way or the other. At times we pick up negative energy from associations that we have with people. Yes, we pick up negative energy also from environment. We pick up negative energy from our family background. We pick up negative energy from our dealings with people. Yes, some people you deal with them either business-wise, relationship-wise, whichever way that you have contact with people, you pick up negative energy. So I have come to show us simple remedy on how to go about eradicating this problem from our lives, thereby opening doors to breakthrough. Yes, breakthrough, progress, prosperity, anything that will make you to break forth. Yes, so that is what we have come up with today. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, why not join us on this channel? Subscribe to my channel, and also remember to follow me on TikTok, Medilock YouTube. That is my TikTok name. You can follow me also on TikTok because I upload video on TikTok once in a week. But here on YouTube, I upload video on daily basis. And at times I upload 2 videos in a day. So guys, please endeavor to watch our videos. And today, this simple remedy I brought before you is something that you can do, okay, irrespective of where you are staying, and where you live. You can do this. It is very, very simple. I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes. You are welcome back from that levels. Let me do mine for you. Levels. See, when I come here and I tell you guys levels, I know what I am saying. Yes. See, God is breaking, God is great. God is giving us outstanding breakthroughs. People are testifying. If you have not testified yet, God will give you your own testimony very soon. Yes. See, there is a sister who called me about 2 weeks ago, all rejoicing with her testimonies, and I've not been able to share her testimony on this channel. Today I just want to talk briefly about her testimony because it is mind-blowing. Yes, in her own case, she is a special person in a way because she has been our partner. She has been partnering with us ever since she met us on YouTube channel. That was when we were announcing this support to reach out to widows, the blind, and the orphans in the society. So she made it a point of duty to reach out to us every month, to reach out to these widows, because end of every month we normally go out to reach out to widows, around us. And when school resumes, at times we go out to reach out to some of them that could not pay school fees for their children. So we reach out, no matter how small, no matter how little it is, we share to these people. So she has been a supporter, of this project, and she was jobless at that time. Yes, she lives in abroad. When you live abroad, they give you feeding something. Out of that little token that she gets from the government, she also makes sure that she gives her widow's mite to us. And God visited her. Without job, she got a very big apartment. Without job, 7 people volunteered to furnish her house for us. They furnished the house for her without any strings attached. This is God in action. Then, as if that was not enough, God surprised her in a week with 2 jobs, permanent jobs, not just menial jobs or permanent jobs, very highly good jobs. And she called me, she was confused, don't know what to select, don't know which one to take. I told her before, some months back, that don't worry, your job is coming. The problem you're going to have is which one will you do? When that time came, she called me and said, "May the Lord, you said it." So now, I said, in the terms of the issue of husband, you are going to have problem with who to select, because God is releasing powerful, strong, handsome, good-looking, loving, rich men to your way, and they are all going to be single. They will come almost at the same time, and you're going to have problem of choice also. So wait, and it will come to pass. So guys, this is her testimony, and I'm very, very happy with her. God can use anybody. God can use any channel to help us. Okay, so guys, let us say congratulations to our sister. Yes, have you gotten your cola charm? This is spiritual cola charm. And then this is feminine liquid for women. Yes, if you want to impress your man, you want to keep your man, you want to outdo the side chick, or you are a side chick, you want to outdo the other chick, side chick. How do I say it? See, get it, okay? Why do you have to allow your children to make police to arrest you when you can easily order for alligator meat spice? Use it to cook. There will be command children's obedience, siblings love, husband's love, wife's love, family love together. This is powerful. It is spiritual. You can use it. Yes, back to sender. As the name implies, that is how it works. Yes, back to sender. Any weapon, anything. In fact, the desire of your enemy, what they are thinking about it in their heart, is already happening to them. Yes. So this is back to sender. It's herb, and look at it. It's a herb. That is all. But God is using it. Okay. So if you have not gotten your own, try and get it. Okay. We have favor, so Which one will I even talk about myself? I beg, let's talk about how to remove negative energy so that things will work out for you. Okay, you are going to be needing just cinnamon stick, and this cinnamon stick, you are going to boil it. Yes, all you need is hot water and cinnamon stick. Hot water and cinnamon stick. When you put this, when you have when you want to carry out this spiritual exercise, like the way you do salt bath, you do all this kind of spiritual bath, what you need to do with this cinnamon stick, it has to be this type. Okay, this is a spiritual cinnamon stick, but that other designer one that you get, they are just for maybe pastries, for just tea or whatever. But if you really want to get spirituality out of cinnamon stick, get this type. Okay, so this is the one that works. See, just break this cinnamon stick into either 3 or 5. Like now, if you have just one like this, no matter how small it is, make sure you have a 5 or 3 representation of it. Just break it like this into 3 pieces or into 5 pieces. Put them inside your pot. Okay, if you are using kettle, put them inside the kettle. If you are using pot, put them inside the pot. Boil it, as in boil it. Put it on fire. Let it start boiling. Let it get to 100 degrees centigrade. When it start boiling like that, pour it inside your bucket. Then you can now add water to it so that it can be conducive for your skin. Okay, you are going to pray over this, and anything that is causing you setback, anything that is causing you financial limitation, anything that is causing you relationship, whatever it is that you're feeling it's a setback in your life, just use this. Okay, use it, bathe with it. You are going to do this bath for 7 days. Yes, 7 days. You do this bath for 7 days. Some will be asking me, is it in the morning or in the evening? You do this kind of spiritual bath in the evening. But if your job is the kind of job that you go to work in the morning, God understands. Do your bath in the morning when you come back home. Okay, make sure you do it repeatedly for 7 days, once in a day, because some will still ask me how many times. Once in a day. Carry out your spiritual bath with cinnamon stick. Boil it. Not just put it inside water. Not warm water. Not the water from your heater in your bathroom. No, you have to physically boil this thing. It has to produce its color. Okay, and you will be amazed. God will attend to your problem. God will come down in His mercy and visit you. Okay, see you again in our next video. I upload video on daily basis. Please endeavor to subscribe to my channel. I love you, but God loves you more. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.